Welcome to HairClub, the home of healthy hair. Congratulations on taking the next step towards hair you'll love. We're a salon for anyone who wants healthier, fuller, great-looking hair. With over 40 years of experience delivering personalized solutions for every client, we know we'll help you achieve your hair goals. And we can't wait to meet you. If you haven't made an appointment yet, just send us a chat on our website and we'll get you set up at a location near you. Now here's a little glimpse into what you can expect during your first visit. We want you to enjoy every moment you spend with us. So at HairClub, you can expect relaxing waiting rooms, snacks and refreshments, and attentive service that will give you a chance to unwind and treat yourself. With every visit, you'll have access to elite stylists, cutting-edge technologies, innovative hair solutions, and expert hair health guidance. We believe every unique solution begins with a unique insight. So the first step for every client is a hair health checkup, where a HairClub expert will analyze the density of your hair and identify areas for improvement. They'll also give you insight into the environmental factors that are affecting your hair health. From there, you'll get a personalized action plan for addressing your hair loss. From over 700 combinations of products and services, our experts will assemble a personalized hair and scalp solution that's specific for you. With solutions for regrowth, replacement, and restoration, we have what you'll need to get hair you'll love. Since every solution is tailored with you and your life in mind, care and maintenance will be easy. And with expert stylists just a call away, your hair will always look its best. So come see what's possible with HairClub. We can't wait to partner with you on your journey to healthier, fuller, great-looking hair. Welcome to the HairClub family.